Aragon is a cutting-edge platform designed to empower decentralized organizations by providing intuitive tools for governance, collaboration, and management. In this video, we'll explore how you can use Aragon to create and manage your own DAO. Did you know that Aragon supports decentralized governance across multiple blockchain ecosystems? With Aragon, anyone can easily deploy a DAO without coding knowledge. To get started, head over to the Aragon homepage. Here, you'll find a clean and user-friendly interface. Click on Get Started, which will take you to the options for creating a new DAO or exploring existing ones. Aragon offers templates for common DAO structures, making it easier for users to choose a model that fits their needs. These templates can be customized to match your organization's requirements. For those interested in advanced features, Aragon provides smart contract deployment for enhanced flexibility. Once you've selected a template, the platform guides you through setting up the DAO, including naming your organization, configuring governance rules, and defining token distribution. These steps are seamlessly integrated, ensuring that even beginners can follow along. After setting up your DAO, Aragon's dashboard becomes your control center. You can manage proposals, vote on decisions, and track your organization's progress, all in one place. Aragon's transparent voting mechanism ensures that every member's voice is heard. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Aragon's integration with popular blockchain networks, like Ethereum and Polygon, enhances accessibility and scalability for users worldwide. The platform prioritizes security and decentralization, giving organizations peace of mind as they grow. The governance tools include customizable voting systems, quorum thresholds, and proposal pipelines. Whether you're starting a new initiative or scaling an existing one, Aragon provides the flexibility you need for sustainable growth. For those who want to explore existing DAOs, the Explore section of Aragon offers a directory of live projects. This is a great way to see how other organizations are leveraging Aragon's features. The community support and documentation are also standout features, providing a wealth of knowledge for both new and experienced users. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with others who are exploring decentralized governance.